Hey guys, John Pruitt with Addison Riley. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a tip if you're going to hire someone to help you with an insurance claim with a carrier, whether that's for Hurricane Michael or storm damage, fire damage. It doesn't really matter what kind, as long as it's a claim. When you hire a public adjuster or a contractor to assist you, you need to make sure that they have your best interest in mind. The reason why I say that is because I'm out here in Panama City. I'm lucky enough to be a passenger in a vehicle right now, driving out here. Gonna go look at some properties where the costs are not adding up to the scope of work, or another term for scope of work is what the contractor or public adjuster is stating needs to be completed. Carriers want to know that what they're paying for is a reasonable price, which is what's stated in your policy, but also it actually exists or it was actually damaged. So what we find is sometimes contractors and public adjusters start billing for things just to bill for things. And I really mean just to bill for things. I got a call the other day from an attorney and he said, something's not adding up. Could you just do a desk review? I looked at it. I said, do you realize there's $40,000 in plastic, tape, and boxes? Now, I've seen people move across the country for way less than $40,000. So we're talking just the boxes, the paper, and the tape, not even any labor. Then they charge supervision to watch somebody pack it. That kind of stuff gets the can kicked down the road. And when you start wondering, hey, why is my claim taking forever? Why is the insurance company not paying out and getting me into helping me get in my home faster? Well, they're not doing it because you've got somebody trying to retire on your project and charging an arm and a leg for things that don't exist. And that's when they call me and I start having to dig into things and finding out where things go. And all this takes time. It takes time and it takes money. So do yourself a favor. If you're gonna hire someone to assist you in your project, which I highly recommend you do, make sure they have your best interest at mind, because if you don't, you're gonna be waiting a long, long time. And I'm telling you, I do a lot of these consults, and it's sad to see some of the things that I see contractors and public adjusters billing for. So as a contractor myself, I really highly recommend you do get some assistance, but make sure they have your best interest in mind. As always, guys, find us on Facebook at Addison Riley LLC. Find us on the web at addisonriley.com. And as always, 776-5009. Have a good one, guys.